Thanks for coming back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Ms. Freeman. I am a 5th grade teacher. This is my 4th year teaching, and I'm brand new to the school and brand new to the state of Michigan. So this is a whole new adventure for me, so thanks for coming along. I said I passed my test. Yay! It's called MTTC, Michigan Test for Teacher Certification. What are you doing, boy? Oh, silly boy. And then taking your recess and making you sit. So instead I'll make you walk. Hi guys. Welcome back to week 1 of the 2018-2019 school year. Today is day 1 for teachers. So we just had a meeting this morning, and then I just had a goal meeting with the principal. Man, I really like this school so far. I really, really do. They seem so helpful, especially with me being new. I still consider myself new. I'm in my 4th year. This is my 4th year. 3rd year opening up a classroom, but 4th year in the classroom, and I still consider myself quite new. So with that in mind, they're really willing to help me, even though you're not that new, but I am new. You know, I'm a career changer, and so, but I do want to tell you guys it's called MTTC, Michigan Test for Teacher Certification. So I passed that, and I'm on my way to being certified. My outfit for today, you guys have seen this from last year. I'm not busting out any new clothes until the first day of school, but I am still unpacking, as you can see. So this year, this is Title I school, as I've said a few times, and I have a few expectations in my class. But in a Title I school, you can't really have those expectations unless you give them the tools that they need to succeed with those expectations. One of my expectations is agendas. I started at year 1, and I've done it every year, and it's worked great. It's a great way to keep in contact with the parents. So I have for every student. So I'm going to let them come in, decorate them, trade them, because you see there are different colors. So if you got one that you don't like, maybe someone at your table will trade with you. If not, you're stuck with it, right? And then I'm going to put in just monthly calendars in there. And this year I'm actually thinking about doing what one of my co-workers did last year, and that was using those as reflections. So at the end of the day, they actually use them to reflect in them. So I'm thinking about doing that. I got my class list today. I have 27 kids. She promised, it's just myself and another 5th grade teacher, and she promised to no more than 27. So if there is more than 27, they're on a waiting list. Our school right now currently has a waiting list. My kids have been assigned. My daughter is in the class I wanted her in, and my son is with a teacher who apparently the kids here love him. Oh, I hope I have him. So I'm really excited about that. I gave him a little bit forewarning of how tough my Marvin can be, but you know. So we're done. We're allowed to leave at 1 o'clock today, and it's 11:30. So I'm just going to, they're cutting the grass. Just going to finish putting all this stuff away today, so that when I come in, I'm going to try and get my desk together too today, so that when I come in tomorrow, I'm actually bringing Marvin and Mia with me, and I hope to bring in my entire library. And so I've got my class list and I've got my computer, so I'm going to go home and start working on some things to print out and laminate. And I have a budget, and they said I can use some of that money on TPT. So I'm going to go on TPT tonight and go shopping for my new diamonds. I'm calling them my diamonds. They're growing under pressure here in Michigan. It's no secret, you know, right in between Detroit and Chicago. 3 hours either way. And so they're going under pressure here. So they're my little diamonds this year. And my co-teacher found out today she's calling hers the stars. And I was like, oh my gosh, we're both shining. We was like, yes. So we've got the shining 5th graders down this end of the school this year. That is really exciting. But she just had her meeting with the principal. She should be coming out any minute. And then we're going to sit down. We don't have a schedule. They gave us like block times and said, okay, figure out what you want to do with the rest, with the time. And so they gave us, it looks like this. So, it's just got your specials, your lunch, your breakfast, and your RTI time. Everything else you have to plan. Your recess, how you want to, your block 90. You have to have 90 minutes ELA, 60 minutes math, blah, blah, blah. Plan it however you want. So that's what we're working on. Oh, there she is. All right, I'll see you guys later. Hi. So we're just getting home. My puppy's going nuts. Hey, puppy. Just got back from work, and it seems like my to-do list just keeps growing. So you know what I mean? Create my welcome newsletter. Trying my hardest to get down this list. I've got it all done. Yeah, I love chocolate. So I'm working on my first week of plans, and I'm going through, this is actually 2 days worth of classroom procedures that I have, and it's actually 56 slides. But one of the fun things that I'm doing is going through all of my brain breaks and remembering how fun they are. Aroostasha, Aroostasha, Aroostasha. I'll have to link this down in the description. This is a responsive classroom brain break, and it is so much fun. And on YouTube, they have the video of how to actually do it. So I'll link that down in the description. Several PowerPoints. I had to write one for my morning meeting. I realized I never had one. And for my cafeteria expectations, just because that is something that I realized I didn't have before. So this year, my principal said that they want us to do levels of inquiry. So the last, we get out at 3:15. So from 2:55 to 3:15, I asked if I could do a genius hour or a genius time. And they're like, yeah. So what this is, they have laptops and they have lots of different things to be able to become creative with whatever pretty much they want to do. And it's very, very quiet in my room. I used to call this time crunch time, but now I'm allowed to call it genius time because they'll be doing something else. Before, I used to do math, independent math during this time, but this works much better. So while I'm packing up, signing agendas and everything, they will be doing inquiry. So this is just what it looks like, just to give you, and during genius time, my consequences are very serious. During my last 30 minutes of the day, if not, it gets hectic. So I incorporated this about 3 years ago now, and I've just kept it, changed it up a little bit, and now we're just going to call it something different. But the consequences are still pretty much the same. I don't like taking your recess and making you sit, so instead I'll make you walk during recess. Those are my consequences, always, is walking during recess. And that's that. Today is Friday, and I am so excited. So I don't know if this is something that they normally do, but today is the kickoff. It's our kickoff, and so we have meeting from 10 to 1, and then they're providing lunch from 1 to 2, and then at 2 o'clock we meet downtown to have a scavenger hunt of downtown. So, and the email said be prepared to carpool, which I don't want to drive. I want to look around. So hopefully my partner, she was born and raised here, she said I'll show you around. Hopefully I'll be able to jump in the car with her. That's exciting. Hopefully I'll show you a little bit of that. And also today, they're taking us on a cruise on Lake Michigan. Like, really? So we're having a scavenger hunt and we're going on a cruise on the lake. I am